Now, onto something that I think is really important, especially from my own perspective as quite a discretionary trader, and that thing is to try and remove as much subjectivity as possible when you're actually trading the market. Now, it's fine to have a view, but I think when it comes to execution, the market doesn't actually care whatsoever about your opinion on what's going on. Neither does risk management. Risk management is probably the paramount thing that I'm referring to here. So for things like stop loss placement, most people like to throw a stop loss, above a high or below a low. Now, the problem with this is that when you actually speak to these people, and you ask them, how do you get stopped out? Like, where's the most likely place? It's like, I get stopped out because they, you know, did a stop run and stopped me out above this high, and they're cheating and stuff like that. It's just not true. Your stop was in a rubbish place. What I like to do instead is to look at things that are based more on a volatility basis, whether that is average true range or working out the daily or weekly or monthly expected move from implied volatilities. These are all easily Googleable, by the way. I've got an Excel spreadsheet because I can't actually remember the formula, so I just didn't put that there. Or another measure, but trying to introduce a method of systematic objectivity into your trading to remove where you might, as a human, be completely biased or completely wrong on something, or just have a blind spot. It makes things so much easier because then you don't have to worry about the thing that tends to be quite emotional, such as stop loss placement. You can just say, oh, the market's caused this to change now, rather than thinking, damn, I put my stop in the wrong place. Because if you do this thing over and over again, such as use average true range or daily, monthly, weekly expected moves, you can just say, well, that's what happens. It's systematic. Let's go on to the next one. You don't feel it personally because you didn't make the decision. So that's what objectivity brings. It removes accountability on yourself almost and puts it onto the data.